I'm joined today by Rick Rule, who's been helping us out with this conference. Thank you for that, by the way. We're going to just talk a little bit about what's happening in the markets at the moment. You had some advice yesterday on where the opportunities are in mining. I wonder if you can elaborate a little bit more on that.
What's worked for me in capital-intensive cyclical businesses is the understanding that you have to be a contrarian. You have to buy what other people don't like. And when they come to like it, you have to sell it. The slogan around that is contrarian or victim. The choice is yours. And I think that continues. The things that are deeply out of favor are cheap, but being capital intensive and cyclical, they come back into favor. You have to buy them when nobody likes them, which is hard, and you have to sell them when everybody likes them, which is harder. But that's what you have to do.
And where do you see the opportunities? You spoke a little bit about precious metals and then other stuff. So, you know, if you're...
Some of your audience won't like this. On a risk-adjusted basis, the biggest opportunities are probably still in fossil fuels, conventional fossil fuels, oil and gas, widely despised. Yet, most people, when they come into a room and hit the switch, want the lights to come on. When they go into the garage and start their car, they want the car to start. So, fossil fuels are widely despised and highly profitable. So I think that's attractive. Gold, too, is, from a conventional viewpoint, very out of favor. I said at the conference yesterday that in the United States, 0.5% of savings and investment assets in the United States are precious metals or precious metals related. That's down from a 4-decade mean of 2%. If demand reverts to mean, demand quadruples, which is pretty attractive to me.
So, I mean, we are also hearing, though, that there are a dearth of investors in the market as well. We're standing here in London, which is one of the, you know, we pride ourselves on being quite a great market, but it hasn't seemed that way recently. What will attract investors to the market, do you think?
You're giving me the opportunity to spread a lot of hate to your viewers. The industry has been lazy for 50 years. When I look at the investor pool that the industry traditionally has courted, they all look like me. Old, bald, fat, white men. In my own database, I've learned that the market is much broader in terms of inbounds to my database. 35% are female, 50% are under 40, and more than 50% are domiciled outside the United States and Canada. The truth is there's a very, very, very broad audience interested in mining, but the mining industry is too rooted in the past and probably too spoiled, too lazy to go to where the money is.
Thank you, Rick.
A pleasure.
Thank you very much.